sound check for the new $200 Facebook Marketplace exhaust on the Womp Womp. Any improvement is improvement, and I'm excited. Are you guys ready? This is the Womp Womp, and it sounds like absolute shish.
Brother, what's that?
It f***ing sucks. So we've come here to South Perth Tyre Power with our good friend Felix, and we're going to install a new exhaust. I don't know if it's going to fit.
I think it's going to take some persuasion, kinetic persuasion.
Kinetic persuasion, some welding, maybe. We do have to cut the bumper, so we're going to try and make that look good. We don't have a lot of time, but we have some time. Hopefully, we can make this thing go from sounding like it's a fart cannon that's made from a Milo can to something a lot nicer. Let's reverse it up. And let's see what we got. Cut to the next fancy transition.
Did that jump scare you?
Now I know, it's hard to make a BA XT sound good. To that, I tell all of you guys, shut up and let me dream. I hope that this thing sounds awesome. I managed to find this exhaust from a guy off Facebook Marketplace for $200. It has been used before. I do like the fact that it is a shotgun pipe or whatever. It is a redback exhaust and it sounds awesome from what I could see off YouTube. I'll play the clip now. That is what I'm hoping that this exhaust sounds like.
Let him cook.
Shut up and let me cook with this damn XT, all right? How good does this car look right now? It looks the part, it just doesn't sound the part. Ooh, let him cook. Let him cook. Oh. Such a scary sound.
Oh, it sounds like ass.
It sounds so bad. It sounds like ass.
It sounds like ass.
Oh my God, this baby. It does need a new wing. Although I treat the one done like shish, this is my baby. I do love her so much. Also, you guys have shown some awesome support from the One Done episode. I just want to say thank you guys. I love and appreciate all of you guys. And stay tuned because there are so many things happening to the One Done. At the end of this year to next year, you aren't even ready. I'm talking high numbers here, guys. The One Done is going to look and drive and be completely different. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know, do you think that this $200 Facebook Marketplace exhaust is going to make the car sound better or worse? What the hell is that? It's like two different exhausts.
What pieces do we have?
I think we have from here back. Oh, the O2 sensor isn't even connected. It's completely broken off. Do you think it's the wrong exhaust?
No, but that's concern.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's odd. Yeah, it's not throwing code, so I guess whatever, but that's a strange one, bro.
That is a strange one. But I think this exhaust goes from here back.
So what we'll do is we'll put some CRC just to loosen up the threads. Let it sit for a minute, and on that one too, and then we'll start wiggling stuff out.
Yeah, easy. And we'll definitely CRC these hangers.
Oh, 100%.
Because we are not pulling that. Look at that. That is dry and aged.
Dry as nan.
But you know what? This is definitely one of the cleanest cars.
Leaky girl.
What do you mean leaky girl?
Leaky as, bro.
Oh my God.
What are you gonna talk to that?
Anyway, so pretend you didn't see that one. Where's that oil coming from?
Probably either off the filter or off your oil pressure switch.
It looks like it's coming from the filter.
I'm gonna say rocket cover.
So this one needs a new rocket cover as well.
That's okay.
We could do this one ourselves. It must just be a Ford thing because the One Done also needs it. You can see that I scrape a lot. I've bent the rods.
Ford things, man.
Ford things, man. But that's not a bad thing though, right? The oil?
We'll just check the levels. It will be fine. Oh, this might actually be easier to take off.
What are these things?
Which ones?
The red things.
They're called bump stops. So when you
When I
bump out your
turn-
suspension, they pretty much stop it from smacking all the way through your wheel wells. You don't actually need them,
But they're there.
but they're good to have. And these are Nolathane ones, so these will last forever.
Quality for free car.
Oh,
It's
I-
actually a lot less rusty than the One Done.
Yeah.
Man, the One Done is rusted under here.
Don't need tools where we're going, mate.
Exactly. Look at that, it's coming off. That's a good sign.
That's a good start. We'll just loosen for now.
That's an excellent sign. Remember the One Done? We had to cut that.
We did. We had to grind it.
Man, we've come a long way from the One Done, hey?
Oh yeah.
Do you remember that?
That was
The One Done was
so
not
fun.
a good day.
Yeah, check out that video though.
Yeah, check out the video. It'll be on down the description.
Link in the description.
Link
yeah.
in the description.
Things are happening.
Yeah, things are happening.
Things are happening.
You guys want to know what was going on with Behind the Wheel channel? Things are happening on the Behind the Wheel channel. Everything will be linked down below.
So we've got a couple of options with this exhaust.
Oh,
You've got this piece. We don't have to replace this piece.
this one or this one?
This one.
Okay.
Because we can do it just from here, and it gets rid of that muffler. But this is stainless steel. So that raspiness that you're hearing is because of the stainless steel.
Licking. It's just water. Anyway.
It might stay raspy if we don't replace this. It would be easy not to replace this.
It won't be that bad not to. It's just right there.
It'll be alright. So, up to you.
I reckon replace it.
Send it.
Bought the whole exhaust.
May as well use it.
I paid for the whole speedo. I'm gonna use the whole speedo.
Fucking can't hit its top speed. Come on.
Yeah, can't.
For legal reasons, that was a joke.
We know Waypol watches the video, so it ain't happening. All right,
Let's do it.
let's do it.
Bam, bam, done.
And now it's stuck.
Skadoosh. It's all gucky, man. All gucky. How warm is that? It's pretty warm.
It's very warm still.
Let me get my CRC. Oh, that exhaust hanger's not even connected. Neither is this one. What the heck, Richard?
I didn't put the exhaust on.
Oh, it's because they're bent. Okay. All right. Well, this one's going to be easy to get off. Look at that, I think. How hot are you? Pretty warm. Glove time.
Gloves of pussies. You're doing great. You're killing it. Camera girl. So you come here often?
So you come here often. Hey, that's my girl, man.
Come here often. Come here often. Yeah.
Safety always.
So these are leather.
Give it a good shake.
Can't even feel it.
Look at that.
Yeah. I'm like Michael Jackson.
Anyway.
What is that connected to? Okay, there must be another hanger up here. Oh, there is two at the front. That's what it is. All right, well, let's do that. It's there. All right, I'm gonna drop the car down so everyone evacuate from the hoist.
Evacuate from the hoist. Woo. That was close.
Skadoodle. I just skaboodled that.
All right, let's.
Oh no. The hoist is in the way. Okay. We might have to remove this section first. That's cool though. See this, Richie? This is called exhaust gasket.
Does this not have one?
It does.
Oh yeah, it was broken. Well, that's why I have to.
You know what doesn't have an exhaust gasket?
The one done.
The one done.
It's silicon. It's just silicon on.
It's red. Yeah, it's red RTV.
Only pussies use exhaust gasket.
It's so good when it's like actually a properly done exhaust that's been looked after. Is that coming down?
It's stuck on something. Oh, it's stuck on.
We might be able to rotate it out.
Eventually.
Now that the exhaust has been taken off halfway, it's basically straight piped. So now it's time to test it and see what it sounds like straight piped. Kick it, Felix. Woo! That sounds horrible. That sounds so bad.
Alrighty, let's get it back in the air and start fitting up that new exhaust system.
Old exhaust off, new exhaust about to come on. I'm not excited to cut this bumper though, but we're gonna try and make it look as nice as possible.
Might actually not even have to chop the bumper.
I was gonna say, I don't think we even have to chop the bumper.
Oh, actually, no, I don't know about that. Because that,
We'll just zip tie that on. That's not gonna get hot.
that's gonna get freaking hot. What I'll do is I'll get the die grinder out, we'll mark it, and we'll just die grind that out.
Yeah, we'll just die grind a little bit out there and maybe a bit out here.
Yeah, okay, cool. So let's get some zippy ties and lock it up. Or I just put the hanger on.
Put the hanger on, I think.
Yeah.
And then we'll do the middle and then we'll die grind it. Look at him go.
Working hard.
Working hard or hardly working, huh?
Working hard or hardly hard, boys.
Yeah. Working work or hardly hard.
Yep, so that's got to go up like, actually a decent amount. So what I'll do is I'll just leave that there. We'll put the midsection on and attach it.
Yeah.
Mark out where we need to cut or grind. And then, yeah, we'll get the die grinder on there. Well, actually, I'm going to get the drill with the die grinder bit because the die grinder died.
Oh.
And yeah, we'll just kind of probably cut it to there and then get a, it's called a deburrer.
And take off the edges. Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Do it. You know what I was thinking of doing? When the one gets fixed up, there will be a lot of parts to disappear that we don't need to go in the bin. And I had a few of you guys actually message me and say that I should sign some of the one done parts and actually sell them. So if you guys are interested in something like that, let me know, comment down below. It will be a bunch of things, rusted, disgusting pieces, but you guys love what you love and I'm not gonna yuck your yum. So if you guys want, I don't know, if you guys think that's a good idea, let me know in the comment below. I don't know, how much should I sell the parts for? I'm thinking like a mystery box for maybe $20, $30 and whatever you guys, you know, if you guys buy the mystery box, you just get a random part, but it won't be parts like screws and stuff. It'll be whole ass doors and injectors, random things that I just don't want, but you guys can have. and I'll sign all of them. Let me know. Okay, guys, Felix has actually asked me to do some work.
Actual work.
Just lift this up.
Yep, lift it up. Yep, just like that.
Oh my God, guys.
Just stay.
I'm holding the flashlight for Dad. This is it. This is the moment. It's getting heavy, Dad.
Just, there you go. All right, you can put it down now, Richard.
Oh, I didn't think I was gonna make that one.
You did good, mate.
Oh my God, guys, I got dirt.
Straight.
I got dirt on my hands.
Exactly what you need to do. I'm gonna ask you to do some more work.
No! Ah, guys, that's it. I just want to say thank you guys for watching the episode. I'll make a like, comment, subscribe. Ah, Jesus Christ.
Felix kills Richard.
Now,
I do need help now.
ooh, you do need my help? Okay, lift it up.
Yeah, lift it up. We're gonna try and get it in the holes again. And literally like push that end upwards and angle the fucking down.
Damn, I look good.
That's about it. There's nothing to it, but that's done.
That's it.
Nothing to it, but to do it. But
We've done it, yeah, nothing to it, but it's already done. So what I was saying before is that hanger in there that Felix has his hand wrapped around, if we just strapped that in, like actually hooked that one up, oh, it's already touching, isn't it?
it's touching, yeah.
Oh, bugger.
So we're gonna have to do some moulding.
Yeah, moulding and cutting. We could do some cutting with the exhaust still on there, hey?
Oh, we can do that. So I'll just pull it down. And what we can do is get something in there. Because probably what we'll do is just cut it like just there. Yeah.
Try and get it as even and as nice as possible and then deburr it.
Yeah. I might just use the angle grinder for that.
All right, well, it only needs to be a little bit high. We'll go little bit by little bit.
Like literally all we're gonna need is like that.
Yeah, we only need maybe like 5 centimeters.
Yeah.
Like that much. Like 5 centimeters up from here, 5 centimeters up from there, meet in the middle, 5 centimeters from the middle, meet in the middle, and then join the lines. Get it as even as possible. Also, I don't know how I feel about this weird, they're like not lined up. Is that the way they're supposed to be?
Oh yeah, yeah. That's what shotguns are. They usually are staggered. So if you look at all like drifty 46s, E36s, and they've got shotguns, they're staggered like that. It's just a style thing. Yeah.
Is it? I don't want that.
When you have flames, it's going to differentiate. So it's not.
Yeah, one will be even longer.
Tell which ones. You know what you could do? You could put green
smaller pipe
flame paste there.
Yeah.
Flame paste there, or blue.
Oh, true. And make greeny blue.
Colourful dragon flames.
So that's the measurements that we have right there, the width of it, the height, and there we go. All right, you ready? Cue a dope ass montage of Felix doing all the work. So the exhaust has now been installed. It has been cut. It looks not too bad. Barely touching here. Barely touching the rear bumper. We got the sides looking all right.
It is wonky.
Yeah.
The exhaust is wonky.
I think the exhaust is just wonky, but it also looks really like a lot worse on camera. But it doesn't actually look that bad in person. I'm keen for a sound check. I'm scared that it will not sound. It'll sound worse. I swear to God, if it sounds worse, I'm burning the car. Sound check for the new $200 Facebook Marketplace exhaust on the Womp Womp. Any improvement is improvement, and I'm excited. Are you guys ready? Whoa, what? All right, well, hold on. On idle. Wow, that sounds mean. All right, let's go. What the? What the hell? What the hell is that? What the fuck is that?
That's horrendous. That is so bad.
That's a joke, right? Is that a joke? Is that actual the sound of the fucking exhaust?
That is so bad.
Ah! I'm not driving that. We gotta fix that. Right, let me start it up. Yeah, why does that sound good? The fuck is that? Is that?
That's just the exhaust, man.
Why did it sound like a fart? Even worse than before. That was horrible. That's horrible. Okay, game plan for fart exhaust. What we're going to do is we are removing the end section, the shotgun part of the shotgun exhaust. We're then going to install the old one back on right now and keep the midsection because it has a hot dog. And I have a suspicion that the hot dog plus the old muffler will make it sound better than before. So yes, I did pay $200 for a hot dog. But then the next question is this part of the now cut exhaust. So uneven, so delicious, so Felix.
Wow. This is messed up, man. It was like, Felix, don't be afraid, just cut it. Just cut my bumper.
Cut it. We should have done a sound test.
Like shit.
We should have done a sound test. That's on both of us. We should have done a sound check. But that was absolutely horrendous. Why the hell did it sound like a wet fart? Anyway, we live and we learn. Why is the Womp becoming the one done? I didn't think it could get worse. I'm not gonna lie, I did not think it could get worse. That was horrible.
I like it. I don't know.
Yeah, anyway, we're gonna test to see that and let us see if it sounds better than what it did before.
Ready?
Ready.
Let's do it.
Okay, not bad. I like the start. It's deeper.
It's better.
It's better. It's better. It's better. Because before it was so raspy, and that was just, get the fuck out of my sight. You know what? That's a success. It's better than before. It's literally, it's better.
Better than before.
It's better than before.
But you know what we've done? We've made it better than before and then made it worse than before.
Yeah.
So it's even, right?
Yeah. What Felix suggested with this is I'm gonna go to an exhaust shop and see if they can actually cut this off and then put either twin exit or a big 4-inch out. So that way we use it, you know? I'm gonna get maybe a 4-inch and that way it looks a bit better. Stainless steel, whatever. Probably cost me $100. Take them maybe an hour or two to do. Cut it off, weld a new like tip on. Super simple, super easy. It is what it is. Felix, how do you feel about what you did?
Tired.
Tired.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, look, Richie said send it, so I sent it. And you know, I think it's all gonna work out in the end. So it's
Yeah.
all right.
In the end, it's okay. Not gonna lie, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. We've been here for about 4 hours.
4 hours, yeah.
4 hours. If you guys are enjoying the content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the exhaust down in the comments below. It's quieter, but it's less raspy. I'm gonna play a comparison. This is before. And this is after. I think it sounds better. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. We've got a few little things left to do on the Womp, but I'm not gonna film that because that's
Boring.
That's boring. So, we'll see you guys next episode. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and
See ya.
see ya. Yeah, peace out and keep moving forward.